Guys, I'm out here with a whopper plopper. We literally have not even 10 minutes to fish, and I'm seeing fish jump everywhere. So we're gonna get after it and catch some fish.
There's no way. Are y'all serious? Look at this. I was just reeling, and he just hit over. I wasn't even trying to catch him. How am I supposed to get that undone? Oh, all three treble hooks like down his throat. I'm gonna go get some pliers and try to get that undone.
Got the turtle on hook, and he's good now. Sadly, we didn't catch any fish, or real fish anyway. But it was still fun with that short time period. So, see ya.